A kiddie pool can be a great investment if you know what to look for. Not every kiddie pool is suited to every situation. Here are the best kiddie pools your whole family will enjoy. Number 1. Best overall. Intex Dinosaur Inflatable Swimming Pool for Kids. For the tiniest toddlers, this friendly dino will provide a splashing good time. Designed for kids ages 2 and up, it's a great introduction to water before they are ready to dive into a bigger pool. It measures 98 × 75 × 43 inches and holds up to 57 gallons of water, so it's just big enough to sit and play, but light and portable enough to move around or take to the park, beach, or pool. It also comes with 6 plastic balls and a patch in case it springs a leak. Also, did we mention how affordable it is? Number 2. Intex Rainbow Ring Inflatable Swimming Pool for Kids. For kids who are looking for a little more water action, there's this bright inflatable play center that will help keep them busy for hours. It comes with a water slide, wading pool, ring toss game, and ball roller game, complete with balls and rings. It also comes with a water sprayer which can be attached to a garden hose for extra wet fun. It holds up to 77 gallons of water. Recommended for ages 3 to 7, there is room for several kids to play at a time. Customers raved about this product and say it's easy to set up and kids love it. Number 3. Intex 1256475NP Swim Center Swimming Pool for Kids. If your family enjoys cooling down together in the summer, you will love this large inflatable pool by Intex. The pool has a 500-gallon water capacity, but it's small enough to be emptied at the end of the day and doesn't require the use of a pump or chemicals. This pool was created with your family's relaxation in mind, as it has 4 comfortable built-in seats with backrests and 2 drink holders. This pool is best for multiple kids, or a mixture of adults and children. Number 4. Little Tikes Rocky Mountain Swimming Pool for Kids. The pool is shallow enough that toddlers will have fun splashing around. It can be used with or without water and has many options to keep children active and entertained. With a climbing wall, 2 water slides, a bouncy pad, and a surprise dump bucket that randomly empties on kids as they climb, your family can enjoy the full water park experience at home. Kids love to race to the top and back down again with the dual slides. Because of its large size, this bouncer is great for use with multiple children, and it provides the perfect party entertainment. Number 5. EverEarth Lite Waterproof Swimming Pool for Kids. This unique product can be used as either a beach blanket or a kiddie pool. To use as a beach blanket, simply lay it soft side up on the ground and relax. For a kiddie pool, dig up a small area in the sand, flip the blanket so the pool side is up, and lay it over the area you dug out. Fill the carrying case with beach water and empty it into the pool. Even kids can easily do this job. Repeat until you're happy with the pool depth. Also, it comes at an affordable price range too. Number 6. Costzon Inflatable Swimming Pool for Kids. If your kids are into action, this slide is a must-have. Your children will have to scale up an inflatable wall to get to the top of the slide where they fly down into the kiddie pool. Before they go back up, they can swim around the water and complete the whole cycle again and again. This pool is sure to be the hit of the neighborhood. Just be aware that it has a 300-pound weight limit, so you can't have all the kids from the block on it. For a kiddie pool that can keep your children entertained for hours without breaking the bank, pick up our best overall picks in Intex Rainbow Ring Inflatable Play Center.
Thanks for watching the video.